Hello and welcome back everybody. It's been a long time. I'm not very consistent when it comes to this. But I've been busy. I've been working. I have a life. I have to study. But other than that, I'm like 4 days late of course, but CLC, like one of my second ultimate groups, girl groups, decided to bless us back finally. After waiting a very long almost a year since their last comeback, like Cube, what's up here? Anyways, I've seen the teasers and all that, but we're here to see the video, and I don't think I'm mentally prepared for this, but let's get right into this, because this is CLC. I don't know what type of concepts are coming back, because I haven't seen anything. Like, I'm 4 days late, and I just found it this morning that they dropped the video, and I'm like, what the fuck? So let's just watch this and let's see how it goes. Oh my. Okay. We won't be lonely at the top. You know, to tell you the truth, CLC is a very underrated group. Like, they're under a pretty decent company, Cube. Like, I'm not saying they're the best, but you know, they have G Idol, and they're very successful for a rookie group. And CLC is also under Cube, and I don't know, like, I feel like they're not really like, they have the talent, they have the vocals, the visuals, the dance, they got everything. They got the whole damn package. Just like G Idol, they got the whole damn package. I'm a big fan of G Idol. But like, I feel like they're not getting that recognition that they deserve. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, like Cube isn't giving them like their spotlight. I don't know how to explain it. It's like I don't know why people be sleeping on CLC, but let's see what Cube has decided to bless us with this time. Okay, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. Okay, that whole intro was like the intro to a badass, like, Marvel action movie. I'm not trying to compare, but that was beautiful. I know this video is going to kill me internally. I just feel it. Hold the phone. Nope, you can't just start like that and expect me to understand that. Holy mother of pearl. Oh. Okay, that intro though was spectacular. Like, wow. That little, like, the beat drop, the little music in the back, that is like something I've never heard, and they look gorgeous. Dang, they bring in those visuals. Look where I stopped. Oh my, thank you, Cube. Like, seriously, thank you. Like this is a type of high ass quality these girls deserved after, like, cause they're, you know, they're, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna shut my mouth. I love her makeup. Yes, Elkie, oh my gosh. I love those little diamond things she has in her hair. Oh my gosh, her dress. She looks like the motherfucking queen. Dang, I'm not gonna get it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, she looks so good. Wow. Okay, let me tell you about this girl. She's like, she can rap. She can sing. She's the freaking leader. Not only is she drop dead gorgeous, but she can fucking dance. So she can do it all. By the way, I love her dress. What did she bring it to me though? Oh my god. Okay. Wait, what? Nope, gotta see that again. Didn't even process that in my mind. Do you see those freaking heels she's wearing though? Look at those freaking heels. Gosh. Those are tall. Okay. Okay, this is what I meant by her being like the freaking main dancer. There's my visual. She's an angel. Heck yeah. I just want to point out, this is my bias. The main vocalist. Just look at her. Yes, thank you. Oh my god, Sorn! Wow, it looks like her hair looks white. I think it is, but it looks like white and blue mix. I don't know if that's just because of the lighting, but she looks like a freaking queen of ice. Wow. Wow. Sorry, keep going. Oh yeah, her hair is like blonde, but it looked like really cool in that shot. Oh my gosh, it's freaking Mockney though. Yes, yes. Yes, queen. Yes, main rapper, killer. Oh my gosh. I can already tell this is gonna be like one badass dance song on stage. Damn, I'm sorry. Do you hear her raps? It's like she's literally rapping to the beat of the song. That's intense. Wow. Oh my gosh, she's just killing the beat in her presence. That haircut though. Gosh dang it, look at her dress. Fit for a queen. You know, to tell you the truth, I'm really liking like the line distribution here. Like usually these two don't really get a lot of lines. Yes. Did I just hear a high note? Like a real high note? Who was that? That sounded like I suck with names. You guys all know I suck with names. The one in the middle, my bias, Sunghyun, I think it was. But I don't know. Because usually her and like Sorn be hitting those high notes, so I don't know who it is. Gosh dang, this is overpowering me. I'm like speechless. Sorry I'm not talking a lot. Yeah, right here. This is poster worthy right here. Oh my gosh. Damn, so many like unique moves. Damn, even shout out to the backup dancers, they be hitting it too. God dang, the visuals. Hold the mother fucking what? Hold. That was my bias hitting that high note. Hang on. I've like never really heard her hit an official like high note. Like I've heard them do like little melodies or little like harmonies in the back or like little high notes, but I'm saying like a big high note like that? No. Let me go now. I go up. Goodness. Yeah. Cube, you have just become one of my favorite companies. Thank you to the songwriters, the producers, CLC for finally giving my girl the high notes and the capability she deserves. Oh my I'm literally freaking speechless. Like, I usually freak out a lot and like talk a lot while a reaction, but literally I have nothing to say because that was pure perfection. That's how good it was. I have nothing to criticize. I have nothing to say, oh, they could have done better. This was perfection. Like, freaking hands down. CLC freaking took it away. For me, like in my opinion, this is probably one of the top best comebacks of the year. And we've had one pretty shitty year, like not in K-pop, but I'm saying like pandemic wise. By the way, I hope everybody's still safe and hanging in there. But K-pop wise, like Blackpink, they were at the top right there. BTS be hitting up their Dreamcatcher. But I'm saying CLC probably like he just took one of those top spots because you can't argue that dance, visual, vocally, and just like the production of the music video was amazing. It was like you can't make it any better than this. Like this was wow. So wow. All right, guys, please keep streaming Helicopter because these girls deserve these recognition. Do not sleep on CLC. And see you guys next time.